Welcome to 2-Minute Analysis. Our goal is to not only entertain, but provide value and insights about the investments you care about. Today's episode is from this request. So let's throw 2 minutes on the clock and dive in. Today we are looking at ASML Holding, ticker symbol ASML. Kicking things off here with the Quant rating system, it is currently a hold rating on the stock, and we're going to get into some of these metrics here in just a moment. Jumping over to the Seeking Alpha analysts, they are currently a hold in aggregate on this stock, and that's from 15 analysts providing their coverage in the last 30 days. Lastly, Wall Street analysts are a strong buy on this stock, and that's 44 analysts providing their coverage in the last 90 days. To learn more about how the Seeking Alpha quant system and Seeking Alpha analysts outperform the market, visit the link in the description of this video. Now let's dive deeper. This is a $515.03 billion market capitalization company found within the information technology sector and the semiconductor materials and equipment industry. Jumping into the valuation grade, which is currently an F, the PEG non-GAAP ratio forward looking is 1.87 compared to the sector at 1.31. And separately, the enterprise value to EBITDA forward is 29.98 compared to the sector at 12.74, showing a little bit of a rich valuation here. However, growth grade is currently a B-. The revenue growth forward is 20.11% compared to the sector at 10.89%. And if we jump down here to the EPS diluted growth forward, you're looking at 29.63% compared to the sector at just 15.17%. Jumping into profitability is currently an A+ grade. That net income margin of 29.42% is beating the sector at 5.32%. Also want to highlight here, the cash from operations is $14.87 billion compared to the sector at just $151.56 million, coming in nicely on the profitability. Momentum is currently an A- grade. That 1-year price performance is 96.89%, incredible, compared to the sector at just 6.18%. And revisions is a B+ grade. That's 28 up revisions and 1 down revision for earnings per share over the last 3 months, and 32 up revisions and 0 down revisions for revenue numbers over the last 3 months. Now, ASML does pay a small dividend yield of 67 basis points. Payout ratio 30.53%. 5-year growth rate, however, is a 21.99%. You can see here the factor grades. You got a B for safety, A+ for growth, D for yield, and B for consistency. If we check out the consistency here, you'll see that they have been paying their dividend for 18 years. Recently, only been working on the growth over the last 10 years. Now, if we jump over here and look at the yield, you will notice that it is mainly in line with the sector here. 1.96% dividend yield forward, however, is trailing the sector median at 1.51%. So what are you waiting for? Come over here to Seeking Alpha, follow ASML here at the top of your page, add it to a Seeking Alpha portfolio where you'll get all those free breaking news alerts about this company, always being able to stay on top of what is moving the stock price here. And that's going to wrap it up for this episode. If you have a ticker you want us to cover, add it to the comment section below. And don't forget to follow Seeking Alpha so you get notified when the next 2-minute analysis gets published.
Past performance is no guarantee of future results. Content provided for informational purposes only. Seeking Alpha does not offer any personalized investment advice and is not a licensed securities dealer, broker, U.S. investment advisor, or investment bank.